How to delete a post on TikTok. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your TikTok app and just make sure that you're logged into your account. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, you'll be able to see your profile. Now you can get to the post that you have previously published on your profile. Simply tap on the post that you want to delete. And at the bottom right, you'll find the three lines icon. Just tap on it. And you have multiple options here. So if you scroll down to the side a bit, here you can see the option to delete. So you can always restore your post within 30 days from your activity center in settings. So simply tap on delete. And now your post will be gone from your profile. As you can see, the post right here is now gone. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.